Hello and welcome to my channel, It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor and in today's video we are going to be cleaning my kitchen. So today I wanted to focus only on the kitchen. I had been having some days where I was trying to record cleaning and just trying to edit the videos and get them all out on time, and trying to clean the whole house for one video just wasn't working very well for me, because I would clean up all day one day and then spend a lot of time editing the next day, and then the following day the house would just be a complete disaster again. So what I decided to do was go back to my old way of cleaning, and that's just where every day I would do a little bit of cleaning all over the house, but I would focus on one particular area. This day I was focusing on the kitchen. I just wanted to make sure that when I cleaned up, I actually put everything away where it belongs, and not just trying to do a quick tidy up so that I could hurry and move to the next room of the house. This just works out so much better for me, because when I do a quick cleanup of the whole house, it's a lot easier. There's not a lot of mess out. But most of the time my kitchen is pretty messy because we do eat at home a lot. So just cooking 2 and 3 times a day does kind of add up on the mess in the kitchen, but it's not too bad. So let's go ahead and get started.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the...
So while doing this cleaning, I also decided to go ahead and start taking down a lot of my summer decor. I know summer is not over. It's not fall yet, but every time there's a season change, and I do like to decorate for all the seasons, I do like to just go ahead and start with a clean slate. So just to give myself kind of a break between summer and fall, I wanted to go ahead and start taking down all of my summer decor to have that very clean look, so I can have an idea of what I want to do for fall, and my summer decor isn't like cluttering my brain, and sometimes I'll feel like it's too much clutter, it's too much stuff, I don't want to decorate at all. So I like to give it a break, even between like Thanksgiving and Christmas. I try to do like a week or two just of pure nothing, no decor. This helps me clear my mind and come up with some new ideas.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that you're done now. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know that you're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
So I just wanted to ask, how is everyone's summer going? Let me know in the comments. I feel like this is the fastest summer in history. Like, my son already has had his last day of summer camp and we are prepping for the new school year, which I am excited because I am excited for fall. Like, I'm ready to decorate. I love the fall season. I love like Halloween, Thanksgiving. So make sure if you're not subscribed, you definitely subscribe because I love decorating for the holidays, especially fall and things. Well, so I do like a fall decor, but then I also do like Halloween. So I'll probably do Halloween first. I don't know. I haven't decided. So make sure you're subscribed and have your notification bell on, so that way you get notified as soon as I do post whatever it is that I'm gonna do. But it's going to be a lot of fun and I definitely want to have you here. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, please let me know down in the comments. I love getting to know everyone. So please say hello and introduce yourself. Let me know where you're from and also let me know how your summer's going.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low-key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you. And you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you.
And we are all done. The kitchen is nice and clean. I love when it looks like this. It actually makes me want to cook, which is weird because then it'll be a mess again. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like the shorter videos like this that are very one room focused, or if you like the long whole house clean with me. Just let me know down in the comments. But if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.
I keep on looking for you.